today Blue's getting her very own cage. Let's go get her. Hey everybody, so I'm getting this cage ready for Blue. So I'm going to change up a couple things, and then I have this whole thing full of seeds and pellets. And Blueberry is very sad that she has to move out of her cage. Yeah, she really, yeah. Well, I thought I was getting it ready for Blue.
Have enough food in there for Blue?
Okay, so I cleaned this cage, I took off this perch, and now I gotta move it to my room. Mom, I'm gonna have it right here.
In front of the window? Or like off to the side?
Right, yeah, off to the side. I need the front here. Thank you. Now I gotta move water and stuff in. So I just got Blue some water and I'm gonna put it in her cage. The water moved in. And then I think I'm gonna put Blue in.
Can she reach it there?
Well, you want a bigger cage? Wait, Mom, what do you think your reaction's gonna be? What do you think her reaction's gonna be?
I don't know. I think she might be happy in there, or she might be confused and want to come to you.
Yeah, that's what I think she's gonna be like, so let's see. You want here? She likes it. Do you like it? I think she likes it already. She's like, ooh, a perch. The Omlet cage comes with these dowel perches. Dowel perches aren't good for constant long-term use unless covered with something like jute twine, which is a natural rope. This makes it much nicer on their feet. You can also use vet wrap, which is soft and grippy. Another option is to use more natural wood perches in the cage. One of Blue's favorites is our party perch, which combines a perch and a toy in one. Oh, Mom, I can move my cheese over here so that she has like the stuff right by her. So I'm gonna get her old area all cleaned up. I didn't even notice a Blue like went up, so what are you doing? You came all the way from this perch to up here. What are you doing? Are you preening? Yeah, so you look all happy. We saw you preening. You know you were preening. Yeah, good job. What are you doing? You went from up there to down here. Come here. Come back in the cage. Aw, good job. So this little girl keeps coming out of her cage